Hey, how's everyone doing? So I was just driving along the other day and almost had my first accident. I posted a video months before when that one lady in the Accord almost hit me. Um, wasn't paying attention, as you can tell, and swerved. But this was a close one. This is the closest one. And the ironic part about it is, look what kind of car it is. This I had no idea on this road here. I'll play the video here. So as you're driving up, it's just a straight shot. And then on the opposite side, where she is, they are turning across your lane to go to this store. Like I had no idea she was gonna go, so I'm probably going 35, I would say, or 30 maybe. At that time, I'm slowing down because there's a traffic light. And at the last minute, she just decides to go, as you could see from the video. I mean, I was close. Again, I hit the brakes really hard. No systems went off on this. It might have just been that split second, but I mean, if I didn't touch the brake when I did, I'm pretty sure I would have hit her. So I would say that the Honda sensing, it's definitely not perfect, because I mean, like I said, if I didn't touch the brake, I don't think there's any way the car would have stopped before it hit the other car. It just threw me that she would even like try to go, as you could see from her face. I mean, she didn't really know what to do. So I just wanted to share that with you. Let me know what you guys, your close calls that you've had. It kind of makes you think, like any little second, you have to kind of pay attention at all times. Can definitely happen at any time. And it's not like it's raining or anything like that either. So I just want to share that with you. Another reason why I love having this dash cam here, because things like that, you don't have to like worry about it, and fight like what they're saying and what you're saying, and go back and forth. Usually that happens, and your insurance company will pay to fix your car, and then their insurance company will pay to fix theirs, because they don't know who's at fault sometimes. So having a dash cam takes all the guesswork out of it. So another reason why I would not go anywhere without one of these. If this ever breaks, I'm definitely getting another one at the same time. So I just want to share that with you guys. The closest call I've had probably to date. And like I said, I would expected the car to stop for me, but it didn't. So again, it's not foolproof, and the Honda sensing isn't gonna take, it doesn't do what the average driver can do if you're paying attention. Yeah, I'm sure it helps certain times, but I wouldn't definitely not rely on it, as far as like not paying attention as much, or have the car drive for you a little bit more than it should. I really don't trust that. It's a nice system, but I think there's a lot that can be improved on it for sure. So I want to share that with you guys. Hope everyone's doing good out there and being safe, and I will talk to you guys next time. Thanks again.